Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Average Joe, and I have a beauty box from Target.com, and it's the March beauty box. It is $7, and we're going to find out what's inside because it's all sealed up. And we have Holly watching. Holly, Holly. Yes, Holly's in her spring box. That's her new box. She loves it. All right, let's see what we have in the beauty box. I came prepared. I have a pair of scissors. All right. Drum roll, please. Oh, it says, hello, spring. As we say goodbye to winter and greet a new season, it's time to hit the refresh button on our beauty regime. Inside the box, you'll find a few of our favorites that you'll give your skin, hair, and makeup collection a new life. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, we find the full-size versions at Target.com beauty box. All right, let's see. Oh, nice. So let's first of all, we have some Wet n Wild eyeshadow. That's a really cool color. I like those colors a lot. So I will certainly be using that. It says the color is 359, sweet as candy. All right, what else do we have here? We have a little tube of number 7, Early Difference Glow Activation Serum. Apparently, for best results, use morning and evening. So it's some kind of cream. Very cool. What else we have? Ooh, Say Knives. Okay, it's body lotion. So collagen elastin body lotion from Say Knives. I think everybody's used Say Knives at some times. See if it smells good. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it smells very fresh. Good deal. I like it. All right, and so what is this? This is a foam conditioner. Oh, nice. Conditions and revitalizes. Or revitalant. So, I imagine you wash your hair and you put that in it. So we'll try that out, see if it works. Sheer volume conditioner. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I've heard about this, the Nexus Dry Shampoo. I've never used it, but I have heard other people talk about it, and they said they really like it. Somehow you spray it in your hair and it makes it look like it's clean. Not clean, but refreshed. All right. And this is Olay Clean Infusion Hydrating Glow Body Wash. So that's for the shower. What's this big box? Color Crave Hair Makeup from Clairol. Shimmering colors, swipe on, wash off. Make your statement. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, we need the scissors again, the giant scissors here. Ooh. So hair makeup, and it's purple, brilliant amethyst. all this stuff that's, oh. Looks like shoe polish, but it's hair polish. See if I can get some, oh, there it is, there it is. And you put that on your hair and it gives it a color. Cool, and that's the color. I'll have to try that out some evening when we go out. I'll have to color up the hair. So that's a pretty cool thing. So we got all these products for $7. They're nice trial size, so if you travel at all, it's nice to take with you. Like that color in makeup. So that was what was in our beauty box today. So that's not bad, $7. It gives you a little sample of everything, and then if you like it, it's all the spring products from Target. If you like them, you can go buy the full size. So we'll say goodnight because Holly's sleeping already. Almost. She's very tired. Yes, you're very tired. You say hello to everybody? Say hello. Holly? Oh, and someone is down the end peeking over. See if you can see her. Hi, Jilly Bean. Jilly Bean. Hi. What you doing there? You want to be on camera too? Holly says no. So those are our two girls. This is Jillian in the box here. That's Holly in the box. And Jillian in her basket. Holly. All right. So good night, folks. This was our adventure from the beauty box. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we do. And subscribe. And we'll try to make more of these for you. With goings on around the household. Good night.